So my recipe to make rajma masala is based on the restaurant style where pureed onions and tomatoes are used to give the best taste and texture to the dish. The flavors are so good that you won't need anything on the side other than chawal. Well, let's see how to make this. I'm rinsing the 250 grams of rajma which is soaked overnight, which I'll be keeping in the pressure cooker, adding some salt to it. Let's cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, I'm gonna keep other things ready. I've taken 1.5 medium-sized onions which are cut into petal shape. I'm boiling 2 cups of water here, to which I'm going to add all the chopped onions. This should be boiled for 3 to 4 minutes till it turns translucent. Now turn off the gas and transfer it to a jar. Let it cool and make a fine paste in a blender. In the same jar, I pureed 2 medium-sized tomatoes. The puree has to be smooth. I also added 3 tablespoons of soft cooked rajma so I get a smooth and thick flavorful curry. Okay, the last paste we are making is the ginger garlic paste. I separated the water from the cooked rajma so that later I can use based on the thickness I would need. I have also taken some bay leaves, 2 green chilies, half a lemon and some coriander leaves. Now let's heat the pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of any cooking oil that you prefer. Add bay leaves first and followed by half tablespoons of cumin seeds. When the cumin starts sizzling, turn the flame to low and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute until a nice aroma comes out. Then let's add the onion paste that we made. Keep sauteing until it turns golden in color. Okay, so now we can add the next ingredient, which is our tomato puree. Saute until it turns light brownish colored. I'm getting amazing smell right now. Cook it for some more time before we add our spices. So the first spice that goes in is some turmeric powder, half tablespoon, and chili powder. Depending on how spicy you would need, adjust accordingly. I'm adding 1.5 spoons of chili powder here. Give them all a gentle mix. Now let's go ahead and add some coriander powder, say about 1.5 spoon, followed by half tablespoon of garam masala. Now mix all the spices thoroughly. Make sure that it's combined very well. Saute until it turns thick and leaves the sides of the pan. The onion tomato masala should be well cooked and not have any raw smell. At this stage, I added 2 slit green chilies for extra spice. Then add the soft cooked rajma along with little bit of stock. Now give them all a thorough mix, making sure that rajma is very well combined with the masala. I added more water at this stage to bring it to a consistency that I was looking for. Then let's add the salt according to your taste. Mix well and cover the pan for some time. I opened once in between to add kasuri methi. You really don't have to add so much, reduce the quantity if you need, but this is how I like it, so I'm adding lots and lots of kasuri methi here. Open the lid occasionally and keep working on the base. Make sure that it's not sticking there. You can also stir in 2 tablespoons of cream here, but I did not use the cream. Add lemon if needed. This is to get that tangy texture. Now let's stir it again. As I said earlier, you can also stir in 2 tablespoons of cream, but I don't want to use that, so I'm skipping it. I felt it's already thick enough, so I went ahead and added little bit of water and stirred again, then added the coriander leaves finally and turned off the gas. Close the lid so that it cooks with its own heat. Well done guys, your curry is ready now. Serve this hot rajma with some chawal, that is rice. If you want, you can keep some onions and lemon wedges at the side. That's gonna be a complete lunch package for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please like, share and comment. And subscribe if you haven't. Bye.